Have you ever stood beneath a sky so dark, so quiet, that you could hear your own heartbeat and wondered, what's out there? That ancient curiosity has stirred in every human heart since the dawn of time. From the first spark of fire to the launch of the first satellite, we've looked up and asked why. But perhaps the more important question is, why does it matter that we look up at all? When you look up at the stars, you're not just seeing points of light, you're seeing history. Each twinkle is a message from the past, light that's traveled hundreds, thousands, even millions of years to reach your eyes. When you gaze at the night sky, you are not just seeing the universe, you are witnessing time itself. And what other act in daily life allows you to touch time? Down here, we draw lines, nations, flags, names, conflicts. But up there are no borders. The sky is the same for the child in Tokyo, as it is for the shepherd in Kenya, as it is for you wherever you are. We all share the stars. In that sense, space is the ultimate reminder that Earth is one home and we are one people. Why did early humans leave the safety of the forest? Why did we cross oceans, climb mountains, build ships and spacecraft? Because we are made to explore. Our brains are wired for the unknown. The further we look out, the more we learn about what we're made of and what we could become. Every space mission is not just about technology. It's about pushing the limits of what it means to be human. Think about this. We've landed robots on other planets. We've seen distant worlds orbiting alien stars. We've captured light from the edge of the visible universe. Once, these were dreams. Now, they are achievements. What today feels impossible, tomorrow becomes routine. And space shows us that the only real limit is our imagination. Is there life beyond Earth? How did it all begin? What happens at the edge of a black hole? What was before the Big Bang? We don't have all the answers, and that's okay, because the questions are beautiful too. Gazing at the stars invites us to live with mystery, to be humble and to seek truth. To wonder is to be alive. You are made of stars, literally. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, forged in the heart of ancient stars that lived and died long before the Earth even formed. So when you look up at the night sky, you are not just a spectator. You are a descendant of the cosmos, a small but conscious piece of the universe, wondering about itself. Satellites monitor our weather, track disasters, help us grow food, and connect with loved ones. Space science has given us GPS, solar panels, medical imaging, safer airplanes, water filtration. Exploring space isn't just about leaving Earth. It's about understanding it and protecting it. The famous photo of Earth, the pale blue dot, showed us everything we've ever known, shrunk to a pixel. It reminded us, no matter our struggles, our pride, our differences, we all live on one fragile world. And that world is drifting in a vast, silent ocean of stars. Gazing at the sky doesn't disconnect you from life. It connects you more deeply to what truly matters. Imagine cities on Mars, gardens on the moon, children growing up with two skies, Earth's and another. Exploring space keeps us dreaming, not just of escape, but of evolving, surviving, thriving. Not just existing, but expanding. Why gaze at the night sky? Because in a noisy world, it is one of the few places where silence still speaks. Because in a busy life, it reminds us that we are part of something much, much greater. Because deep down, we all need a little wonder, a little awe, a little star stuff in our souls. So tonight, turn off the lights, step outside, look up, let the stars whisper their ancient stories to you. Let them remind you, you are not lost, you are not small, you are a universe, conscious, curious, and reaching for the stars.